Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'm gonna talk about my homemade face masks. Now, I did a video few months back about my top 5 face masks for oily skin, and a lot of you really liked it, and some of you even commented that you would love to see homemade face masks. So here I am doing my 7 face masks for all skin concerns. Like, I have some for hydration, for acne, for hyperpigmentation, brightening, and inflammation or redness, and even an exfoliating face mask. So I'm gonna share all of them with you today, and honestly, I love homemade face mask. I have been a huge fan of home remedies and face masks that you make from scratch, and I love experimenting with different ingredients and just trying different textures and all of those things. So yeah, I thought I might as well share my top 7 face masks, and I know it's crazy, but they do wonders, and I would highly suggest trying them out for at least 2 weeks to see visible results, because obviously you're using pure products. It's gonna take a little bit time to show it on your skin. It's not like chemicals who would instantly glow up or instantly show results. And you know what, when nothing works for your skin, dadima ke nuskhe from kitchen always works for everyone. So I would highly suggest you try that out. So yeah, that was all about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know which is your favorite homemade face mask. And if you have some other great face mask, then please leave it in the comment section, because I would love to try that out.
So the first face mask is a hydrating face mask, perfect for dry skin people and great for summers. So I will be using just 2 ingredients for this face mask, avocados and banana. So avocado moisturizes deeply and protects skin from sun damage. It also helps to smooth out the skin wrinkles, and banana is a great source of zinc and has loads of potassium, vitamin A, C and E. So I'm just mashing up the avocados and banana really well together, and then I just apply it all over my face with my hands. This is a very nice face mask. I think it's great for summers when you really need to lock in that moisture, and it feels so soft. It's almost like butter. And the best thing about this face mask is that I use it as a hair mask as well, so it really leaves my hair shiny and soft. So yeah, I really enjoy using it. The only thing about this face mask is that it's a little difficult to get it off your hair, so make sure if you use it on your hair, just wash your hair really well. So the next face mask is an exfoliating face mask. I would be using coffee, which is a great source of antioxidants and reduces puffiness under your eyes. So I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of coffee. Then I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, which doesn't clog your pores and is a natural source of vitamin E and polyphenols. It also enhances exfoliation. And then I'm adding some raw honey. Honey is an antibacterial and is also very soothing, and it gives a glow to your face. And then I'm just adding some lemon juice. It's totally optional if you want to add lemon, as it's a great source of vitamin E. And then I'm gonna mix everything really well. It forms like a grainy consistency because of the coffee, and then I'm gonna apply it on a clean face. Since coffee has grainy texture, it is great to enhance blood circulation. So have this mask on for like 15 minutes. When you're rinsing it, start exfoliating it gently, and then go ahead and rinse the mask. It leaves a very nice glow on your face, and your skin feels like super soft. So the third mask that I have is an acne control face mask, which is my go-to face mask. So I just add some honey, which is again antibacterial and hence great for acne prevention. And then I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder, which is also amazing and has some amazing healing properties. You can also add nutmeg, whatever you like more. And then finally some turmeric, which is a golden ingredient with amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So I'm just gonna mix everything really well and apply it on my face like a treatment. on places where I have acne or acne scars for 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna massage it onto my skin after every 5 minutes and let it dry out, and then wash it. And the next face mask is for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. First, I would be using some grated potatoes, as they are really good to remove dark spots, wrinkles, and even lightens the skin. Then I am adding some aloe vera gel, which is also very well known for healthy skin. And lastly, some lemon juice, which is a natural source of vitamin C and helps in lightening spots. So if you have sensitive skin and you don't want to add lemon, then go ahead and add tomato juice. It just does the same work. And then I'm just applying it on my dark spots or acne scars. I have a lot of acne scars from my past allergies on my cheeks, so I like to use this by dabbing it onto my skin. Next is to remove redness and inflammation. So first I'm gonna add some warm water to oats and let it soak in for like few minutes. Oats are natural cleanses and reduces inflammation. And then I'm gonna add some coconut oil, which is antibacterial and moisturizes the skin deeply. Make sure you're using a cold press oil. You can use jojoba oil or any other oil that you have at hand instead of using coconut oil. And this one is a bit tricky to apply, so I later added some honey to make it thick in consistency. Next face mask I have is for brightening. The first ingredient is fresh orange, which protects your skin from free radical damage and promotes healthy skin glow. The next ingredient is some rice powder, which is natural oil absorbing with anti-aging properties that smoothens and brightens the skin. So I'm just gonna mix everything together and then pat it on my face and let it stick onto my face for like 10 to 15 minutes. This one really helps to brighten up the face. You can make rice powder at home just by grinding rice grains until you get like a powdery consistency, and then just apply it all over your face. It's also great for exfoliating, but primarily I like to use it as a brightening face mask. Last but definitely not the least, I have a purifying face mask. First, I would add some green tea powder, which is an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to treat hormonal acne, which a lot of people suffer from. And then I'm just adding some neem oil, which helps to reduce redness on your skin and also helps in treating acne or if you have some active breakouts on your skin. And then I'm gonna add apple cider vinegar, which is a wonderful ingredient. I'm sure you all have heard about it. It helps to fight blemishes, it balances skin pH and removes toxins from the skin. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of tea tree oil as well, because it helps to give it a nice aroma, and tea tree oil is actually great for acne prone skin. So I'm just gonna add some tea tree oil and then mix everything together using a wooden spatula. And once everything is mixed, I'm gonna start applying it on my face. I'm just dabbing it with gentle motions and just applying it on areas where I really need some purification. And then I just let it sit on my skin for 15-20 minutes while I sip on my green tea. And yeah, so it's really relaxing and calming, and I really like to do this on a Sunday evening. So yeah guys, this was all about it. Thank you so much for watching. I would see you in my next video. Bye.